We're here now with The Legal Answer. It's a new segment twice a month here on WILX and Studio 10, brought to you by the Sinas law firm and personal injury attorneys Steve Sinas and Katie Tucker. Questions that are actually coming from you, the public, and they're going to provide the legal answer. So Katie is joining us right now. Katie, welcome back into Studio 10.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm glad to be here.
Yes, we're super glad to have you here. And today's question was submitted by Sabrina, and she wants to know how long she has to file a personal injury claim. So say we're talking about motor vehicle crash, which of course is an area of personal injury your firm has more than 70 years of experience dealing with. So how much time do you have to take a legal action?
If you're injured in an auto accident in Michigan, there are two limitation periods that you want to be aware of. The first is what's commonly referred to as the 1-year back rule. This rule applies to claims for no-fault benefits like medical expenses, wage loss, and survivor's loss benefits, and it requires that you file a lawsuit within 1 year of the date that an expense was incurred, or you may be barred from recovering that expense altogether. The second limitations period that you want to be aware of is the 3-year statute of limitations period that applies to a claim for bodily injury liability. Unfortunately, in Michigan, if you do not file a claim within 3 years of the date of the accident, you will be forever barred and waive your ability to do so. So it's really incredibly important that you're aware of these time frames and these deadlines and that you adhere to them.
No, all very good information that's going on there. So is it best then to act quickly, or should we wait those 3 years?
You do have 3 years, but it is best to act quickly. Acting swiftly enhances your ability to preserve important evidence, to interview or depose potential witnesses while their memory is still intact, or conduct an investigation into or reconstruction of the accident. These can all be really important things, particularly in cases where liability is contested or fault is in dispute. In addition, it's really important to act quickly to give your lawyer adequate time to potentially negotiate or resolve your claims before a lawsuit must be filed. And if they're successful, this will actually avoid your need to incur the expense and encounter the uncertainty of litigation. So in short, acting swiftly will put you and your legal team in the best position to advance your claims and make a successful recovery.
Yeah, I love that. Well, that was a great legal question and obviously a wonderful legal answer. We appreciate all of this. So where can we find more information in regards to any of this?
Yes, you can find more information on our website, sinusstramus.com and autonofaultlaw.com. You can also get more information by consulting with an attorney. We've talked today about the time periods that apply to auto accident claims, but if you're injured in another incident or another way, you will want to consult with a lawyer and do research as to the particular time period or time limitation that applies to your claim.
Yes, amazing. Well, thank you so much for stopping in. And of course, you can also ask more questions so we can get these legal answers. You can see that information right on your screen. So thank you so much, Katie, for coming in.
Thank you. I look forward to answering more questions moving forward.